run a little quick video on these nice young group of dogs. We only have one dog in this pile that's over 6 months old, and that's Eva. She's about 8 months old. That's a Pepsi Dirk. This is Fee. Super nice young dog. That's Fergus. It's going to be a gorgeous male once those ears come up. He's got heavy bone, powerful dog. We've got Gideon here in the corner. I'm sorry, that's Gunner in the corner. Gage and Gideon down here. Solid black males here at 6 months old. They're all nice crop of young dogs. Hard to get them calmed down just long enough to get video, because here comes the helper. Let's go, Eric. Every one of these dogs has been home raised with children since they were weaned. Cats, other dogs. It's a nice crop of young dogs, up and coming superstars. Once again, these dogs are just 6 months old. They'll be very, very powerful young dogs. That's Gideon. Powerful dog, very powerful possession. Just going to run through them all real quick. Give each one grip. This is Gage. Super nice young dog. Most young dogs aren't even gripping, much less gripping a hard sleeve at this age. Dogs are very, very naturally suspicious of strangers. Very naturally protective, but yet very safe. Gunner. He'll be a big boy. He grows in that frame. Those are G's. Now we're going to look at a couple F's. Fergus. Fiona. Guy's got a great temperament. Powerful young dog. There's his baby sister right here, Fiona. Nothing lacking in this dog. Once again, all these dogs home raised, extremely well bred dogs. Last but not least, Eva, the E-litter Pepsi Dirk puppy, Enzo's full sister, part ninja. Very powerful young dog. Super obedience as well. A lot of fun. What a nice crop of young dogs. We got a whole lot more nice young dogs just like these, but I wanted to make a quick video so you could see some of the up and coming superstars.